Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to start clipping on Whop. Clipping is a practice of walking long-form video content like YouTube, videos, podcasts, live streams or interviews and editing them into short, viral clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels and YouTube Shorts. It's legal and encouraged as long as you credit the original creator and you follow the fair use guidelines or content permissions. Always, no fancy gear or experience required. Free editing tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve or Clipchamp works great. You're using proven engaging content like celebrities, experts or trending topics. The audience is already there, you just ride the wave. And the income sources are Whop, content rewards, affiliate marketing, UGC gigs, and monetized YouTube Shorts. Also, you can sell clips at service on Fiverr or Upwork. Firstly, find long-form content to clip. Popular YouTube interviews, podcasts, live streams on Twitch, YouTube, etc. Creator content you enjoy and understand. Now, pick viral moments. Look for emotional reactions, funny quotes or powerful lessons. Timestamp the moments, each moment with one potential clip. Just add captions, zoom into faces during reactions and keep it under 60 seconds or use the trending audio if needed. Now, upload consistently for 3 to 5 clips per day if possible. Use SEO-friendly titles and hashtags and test different thumbnails and hooks. To monetize, sign up at Whop.com, go to the content rewards section, then choose brand and submit clips. Earn money directly for posting clips. You can also do affiliate links, sell your services, or grow a channel. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.